Education Links is an alternative provision free school. We work with young people who've been excluded for school. They have had behaviour problems, sometimes they are truanters, sometimes they have had an incident, just a one-off, that's caused a problem at their mainstream school. So they may come to us for just a few days. Typically we also have some with us for a very long time, a year, 2 years, maybe even 3 years.
At school, their mainstream schools, they may feel marginalised. And a lot of what we do is, apart from giving them a good education, is the pastoral care that we offer. And that forms a large part of what this school does, is to make those young people realise that they are worthwhile, they are worth us as adults investing in them.
When a young person comes in and they don't engage at all, they're not engaging, and you see them slowly progressing over the course of the academic year. Now this young person's engaging, sitting in the classroom, sitting with his peers at lunchtime. It makes your job worthwhile.
Yeah, and it's really enjoyable because the teachers are fun. They're not like so uptight like mainstream teachers, because everybody's always happy. So it's not really like a behaviour school, it's more like a youth club, but we do our work. So I think the best thing coming here is just like having a laugh with other students.
We've seen the evidence many times of young people who cannot manage themselves because they're hungry, because they have a sensitivity or reaction to food, the ones who don't understand not to choose the junk food, not to fill themselves up with sugar and sweet things, and the evidence is in their behaviour. They can't behave in class, they can't concentrate, they can't settle, it disrupts other people's learning, and once we manage them to manage what they're eating, then we can see an improvement in their behaviour in class. We've wanted for a long time to be able to provide hot meals, and we are a school that's split across 3 sites. None of the sites have a kitchen that is suitable for providing meals on a regular basis, on a daily basis for our young people, even if we're able to use it for, say, simple cookery lessons. Looking at the options of altering the buildings, that was going to be much too expensive, and we wouldn't be able to draw on any capital and investment and so on. When we discovered the PKL option, that fitted in perfectly. We've got the outdoor space to use. We could raise the capital for what that would cost, and actually it could be done in fairly quickly compared to a major construction project.
They helped us with the planning permission, they helped us with our application to the EFA. The idea of having a complete unit kitted out and not have to worry about having sort of builders in and the type of disruption it would bring to the students we have here was ideal. It also means that we don't have like several weeks where the building or the area is out of use. So we planned it for our May holiday, and the kitchen was brought in and the kids came back and saw a kitchen magically appear. It looked like, if you look at it now, it looks as though it was always meant to be there.
I think it looks cool, colour's cool. Yeah, it's a bit like a TARDIS. Like, it looks small on the outside, but on the inside it's quite big and quite spacious. I'm going to try and bring a balanced diet to them, which is going to be healthy without them knowing, but taste really good, hopefully. You know, try and get them into maybe different cuisines that they've not tried.
So we're really, really excited. We hope that, you know, with the help that we've had from PKL, with the help that we've got with our catering consultant and the nutritionist, that actually we'll be able to provide something that's more than just a kitchen.
What we've seen since we've been able to introduce this kitchen and serve hot meals, and it hasn't been very long at all, but immediately we're seeing a change in behaviour in class. We're seeing a change in behaviour during the lunch times because they're sitting down with staff, they're socialising, there's normal conversations going on. All those anxieties that come about because they've got to interact with each other and they don't know how to manage themselves socially, all of that is changing, and this is just the start. So the prospect for the future is very bright in terms of what this change is going to do for their capacity to learn.